Python, decorated static method receives non-callable method. I'm having a little problem decorating a static method in Python. I think the following code best represents my problem. This seems to be a bug. I imagine it arises because when the method foo.bar is passed to the decorator, it is a function, not a method. That is the only reason I can see for it not being callable, for if we decorate a standard function, it is not callable, as shown below. So is this a true bug in implementation of the static method decorator, and or are there any simple workarounds? I did think of writing a decorator to assign an underscore call underscore attribute, but I don't know how callable is implemented, so I can't gauge the success of such a method.
Methods are functions. But static method objects aren't. They are descriptors, so there's extra magic that gives you a callable when you access it as cls.static_method, but this magic can't hide anything when you use, i.e. pass to decorator, static_method inside the body of CLS. You can't really hack your way around this, at least not cleanly. A much simpler solution is reordering the decorator such that static method get applied last, i.e. put it at the top, above all other decorators. Well, whether you consider it a bug or not, it's documented. Static method objects provide a way of defeating the transformation of function objects to method objects described above. A static method object is a wrapper around any other object, usually a user-defined method object. When a static method object is retrieved from a class or a class instance, the object actually returned is the wrapped object, which is not subject to any further transformation. Static method objects are not themselves callable, although the objects they wrap usually are. Static method objects are created by the built-in static method constructor.
I wrote my own implementation of static method that is callable, and this seems to solve this problem nicely. This doesn't use the descriptor protocol and as such behaves very differently than the built-in static method internally. However, in practice it makes functions callable as class attributes, instance attributes, and even as function attributes, e.a. if you've wrapped your class in a decorating function. This implementation of static method will still allow you to call your static methods as attributes on the wrapping function.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.